Welcome to CIT Tech Tips channel. My name is Cameron.
And my name is Max.
Today, we're going to talk about hacking. We will go over common hacking methods and what hackers are really up to, how to become hacked, and signs that you may have already been hacked.
Hackers come in different forms. Some hackers may even call you pretending to be a service or company you may even recognize, such as Google, Microsoft, your bank, etc. These people will call you and attempt to get information directly from you by tricking you. Hackers will exploit and manipulate vulnerable people to get them to voluntarily give up important information, either about you yourself or an organization you work for. This is called social engineering and is much more common than you would expect.
Hackers have an assortment of ways to breach through security, from human error to computer error. Hackers use a variety of methods to slither past dealing with security. Most common types of hacking is spyware. This is when malicious software collects information on someone's computer without their knowledge or consent. Worms are a virus that can autonomously hop from computer to computer on its own, dropping off malicious packages as it goes. Another method of hacking is using keyloggers. Keylogging is when someone records your key presses on your computer and uploads them to a database. Rootkitting is a form of hacking that allows a hacker to have complete or partial control over your computer. Crypto miners hide in your computer, silently working by mining your computer's power to mine crypto. This is demanding on your computer and uses a lot of power. Hacking isn't always done with programs. Sometimes it is a type of social engineering. Social engineers will pretend to be somebody they aren't. Once information is divulged to the malicious person, they will guess the password off the information until they are lucky. Good evening and good afternoon.
Most hackers first need to extract some sort of knowledge about whatever they're trying to hack before they can hack it. You spend a lot of time on the internet. You may have already seen there's lots of random pop-ups, fake emails, notifications, and even people trying to convince you to give up information. Downloading packages or data from the internet can result in a virus getting onto your computer if you aren't careful. To avoid this, simply avoid shady websites and try to stick to websites with big names you know, and maybe pirate less things off the internet. Major services will almost never call you unless you ask them to. This includes the IRS, Google, Microsoft, your bank account, and most other big names you could probably think
of. Signs you may have been hacked. If your computer has been hacked, your device may become noticeably slower, hotter, and consume more power. You may notice your files are disappearing, or potentially malicious files you don't own may begin to appear. Sometimes the command prompt will suddenly open on its own and pop-ups will appear on your computer without you clicking on anything. Thank you all so much for watching. My name is Cam.
And my name is Max.
Please make sure to watch our previous videos on CIT Tech Tips.
And also make sure to like, subscribe, and check the comments for a link to a detailed manual on how to avoid being hacked.
Thanks for watching.